David Gunnish, let's have Fort Road aboard this mission, Captain Kieran McElroy. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Captain Kieran Garrett speaking. You're all very welcome on board our flight to Dublin. We're getting underway almost immediately. Flight time is just 1 hour and 15 minutes. Weather conditions en route are good. A cool but clear morning in Dublin. Do hope you enjoy the flight. See you first off some Ray Dogs here being the flight deck. We will update you on our progress as we get closer to Dublin. And just in a few moments now, please give Carolyn and the rest of the crew your special attention for your safety demonstration. Thank you very much.
Die beginning agus Cape Mail Falta River Board, they meet an area gan Cúpla no maid, agus Tostilla Bank of Paris Jazz, agus Culpordach with. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, you're all very welcome on board this Aer Lingus flight EI603 to Dublin Airport, and we operate this flight with our codeshare partners KLM and Etihad. Captain is Kieran Garrett. He's already introduced himself to you. Flight time once we get going will be 1 hour and 15 minutes. We will be commencing pushback shortly, so please ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened. Your seat backs are in the fully upright position with the armrest down, and the tabletops in front of you are clipped up. If you are carrying a mobile phone or any other personal electronic device, please ensure it is switched to flight mode or airplane safe mode now, and remain so until arrival into Dublin. Aer Lingus operates a very strict policy of no smoking on board, therefore you are requested not to smoke. The toilets are fitted with smoke alarms, and it is illegal to tamper with these or any other safety equipment on board the aircraft. And ladies and gentlemen, we would ask you to remove all headphones for the entire safety demonstration, and indeed your safety is our priority on board. We would ask now for your full attention to the front of the cabin as we demonstrate the safety features on board this aircraft, which is an Airbus A320. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal end into the buckle as the crew are now demonstrating. To secure the seatbelt tightly around your hips, pull firmly on the strap, and to open the seatbelt, lift up the buckle cover, which should always be faced away from you. There are 8 emergency exits on board this aircraft, all of which clearly marked by red and white exit signs. Low level pathway will show you to these in poor visibility. There are 2 doors at the front of the aircraft, one left where you boarded, one opposite on the right, 2 doors at the back of the aircraft, left and right, and there are 4 overwing emergency exits in the centre of the aircraft, 2 on the left, 2 on the right. These are located at rows 12 and 13. If you are seated here or in the first row of the cabin, please ensure all items of hand baggage are stowed in the overhead bin for takeoff and landing. In the event of a sudden loss of cabin pressure, individual oxygen masks will be lowered automatically in front of you. Should this happen, pull the mask down fully. Cover your mouth and nose with it, securing with the elastic band, and breathe normally. Only when you have put on your own mask should you attend to other passengers. There is a life jacket like this in a package under every seat. If instructed by the crew, take it out and put it over your head. The long strap should be wrapped around to the front where it is clipped and pulled tightly. Each jacket has a light and whistle for attracting attention. You inflate the jacket by pulling down sharply on the red tag hanging in front. It may also be inflated or topped up by blowing through the red rubber tube. Jackets must only be inflated once outside the aircraft. There is a safety leaflet in the seat pocket in front of you. If you are not familiar with this aircraft type, we'd ask you to read this carefully. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your attention during this safety demonstration. On behalf of all the crew, we wish you a very pleasant and comfortable flight with us. We will be dimming the cabin lights for takeoff and once again for landing, and this is normal safety procedure.
Dames en heren, controleer voorafgaand aan het vertrek of uw veiligheidsgordel vastzit, uw tafelblad is opgeborgen en uw rugleuning volledig omhoog staat met de armleuning omlaag. Roken is verboden en consumeren van eigen alcohol aan boord is niet toegestaan. Er mag niet worden geknoeid met veiligheidsuitrusting aan boord, zoals de veiligheidsgordels of de reddingsvesten. Alle nooduitgangen zijn duidelijk aangegeven met rode uitgangsaanduidingen. De bagage moet bij deze stoelen worden weggeborgen in het opbergvak boven de stoel. De vloerverlichting voor het uitgangspad helpt u uw weg te vinden bij slecht zicht. Bij verandering van de cabinedruk valt er automatisch een zuurstofmasker voor u omlaag. Blijf zitten, trek het masker helemaal omlaag, plaats het volledig over uw mond en neus, bevestig het met de draagband en adem normaal. Zet eerst uw eigen masker op, voordat u kinderen of andere passagiers helpt.